Okay, moving on. My third problem says, let S be a sample space and E and F be events associated with S. So we got the probability of E is 0.4, the probability of F is 0.4, and the probability of F given E is 0.25. It's a little different. Then we got to find each probability. So again, let's make a Venn diagram. So we got S, E, F. So in E, the whole thing's 0.4, and then F is 0.4, and then the probability of F given E. So if it's given E, we're talking about this circle. So that means this, the football-shaped area, divided by that is 0.25. So this is 1/4 of the whole thing. So if the whole thing is 0.4, this is going to be 0.1. And this is going to be 0.3. Again, that's a little tricky. We know the whole thing is going to be 0.4. This tells us that the ratio of this to the whole thing here is 1/4. 0.25 is 1/4. So if the whole thing's 0.4, this has to be 0.1. Once you know that's 0.1, those two have to add a 0.4, so that'd be 0.3. Likewise, F up here is 0.4, so it's going to be 0.3 also. So if you take 0.3, 0.1, and 0.3, add those guys, 0.7, that leaves you 0.3 out here. All those have to add up to 1. Okay, so what's the probability of E given F? So if we're given this, this would be 1 out of 4, which is 0.25. What's the probability of E intersect F? We've already got that. That's 0.1. What's the probability of E given F? Oh, I'm sorry, I messed up here. I didn't read the problem right. That's going to be 0.1. This one's E. Nope. E intersect F, that's the 0.1. I'm sorry. And E union F would be the sum of these guys. 0.3, 0.1, and 0.3. That's 0.7. I didn't read the problem carefully. What's the probability? It's E given F. So it'd be 0.1 over 0.4, or 1/4. 0.25. And the probability it's not E given F. So if it's given F, I'm only looking at the circle. Those not in E would be 0.3. These are in E, these are not. So it's going to be 0.3 over 0.4. I'm just going to put 3 over 4, which equals 0.75. They try to change the wording on it to confuse you a little bit.